guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video I'm sharing with you another backdrop, and this one is incredibly exciting because I prepped my feathers so long ago and they've just been laying around waiting for their turn, and finally 2 months later I am pulling out those feathers and using them as a backdrop. Love how this backdrop turned out. Cannot wait for you guys to see it. And before we get to this backdrop, a little announcement, you guys. This week I will probably just upload one video instead of two. I usually upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but because this week is the week before Christmas, it's incredibly busy. I need to do so much. I need to prepare. I haven't wrapped any of the presents, not even one, and it's just so much to do. I know I promised you guys to share a video on wrapping the presents ideas. Maybe I am too late, maybe not, maybe someone's out there like me doing everything last second, but I will not promise you, but I will try to upload one more video on Thursday on how I wrap presents and how I decorate them. I will not probably show you the presents how I wrap them, but I will show you how I decorate my presents this year. Alrighty guys, without any further ado, let's just get to this backdrop and let's have fun. I am in my garage. I laid down a trash bag on my concrete to make sure I didn't get it spray painted with gold. I do have a gold spray paint over here, gold glitter. I poured my glitter into a cup. It will be a lot easier to dip my feathers later on. And I do have feathers. I bought 2 packets. One packet had 100, so overall I have 200 feathers. We'll see how many we will use for this backdrop. The idea is very easy. You take one of the feathers and your gold spray paint. Also keep your glitter right next to you, not too far, because you would need to do this very fast because your spray paint will dry really fast. You need to work pretty quickly here. So you take your feather and start spraying your feather till about halfway. From both sides. And right away dip it into your gold glitter. Shake it off a little bit. And here you have it, a beautiful, beautiful feather. The reason I'm doing this on both sides because you never know if your feather will twist and show the back of your feather, or it will stay as you placed it. You never know. So do it to be safe, do it from both sides, and you'll be good to go. Feathers are already spray painted and dipped in gold. They look so beautiful. This is the batch that I did last, and they're still drying, but then these 2 piles are already dried and they are ready to be placed on a backdrop. So I basically left everything hanging from my previous video with ornaments. I will link that video in the description down below for you guys to see how I hanged all of my tulle on my fabric. Now I'm gonna be taking my feathers and I will be poking through with my feathers into this tulle, and I don't have to use any pins or anything like that. Very easy, very pretty, and I cannot wait to complete the whole backdrop and show it off to you guys. I'm going to show you quickly how I will be poking through the tulle with my feathers so you can see up close and get a really good idea out of it. So I'm taking my tulle, I'm folding it in one layer, and then with my feather going through the tulle, poking through, making a hole just like that. and then again up top and making a hole again. When I did that, I need to push my feather a little bit further, that some of the feathers over here, these little guys, will get into the tool. That way those little feathers will hold your main feather in place and it will not go anywhere. So push it in a little bit more and pull it out just a tiny bit. And voila, here you have your feather hanging on your tool. Hanging all of my feathers on my tool. Now I still have a little bit of feathers left, so I want to add them and put them on a pin and pin it to my fabric. I'm taking my feather, my pin with the pearl on top. I'm going into this stem with my pin right in the middle, and then on an angle, I'm coming out of this feather, just like that. And now I'm ready to pin this on my fabric. Grabbing on my fabric and poking through and just slide it in. And here you have a feather hanging on a fabric. What I have for you guys today. I love this backdrop. I love how gold looks against black. I love how gold looks against white. These colors are so pretty and I am in love. I use this black tool that I bought on Amazon. I will link a link for this tool in my description below. And it will depend on you how much tool you would need. I used 50 yards for this backdrop. My bowl that I bought came in 100 yards of tool. It will depend on you how black you want your tool to be. If you want more black, then put more strings, and that way you would need more yards, more than 50. Also, I use these feathers. How many of them, I don't know. I will try to count or approximately tell you the count of these feathers, and I will link them in the description down below as well. I will link my needles because I have a lot of questions about my needles with the pearl on top in the description below as well. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I will play with my LED uplighting, and I will share a few or a couple pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on this backdrop. I love it so much. I'm curious what you think about this backdrop, so leave your comments in the description, in the comments down below, and I'll be there to chat with you guys. I love getting your comments and kind of interact with you guys. Love it so much. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here and for the first time. I hope you have a wonderful pre-Christmas week and a beautiful Christmas day as well. I will see you all back in my next video. Bye bye.